Hey there! Step into the realm of core Java interview questions, Part 1. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced developer, these questions will help you sharpen your Java skills and prepare for interviews. Let's dive in. The first question is, can you explain an important feature of Java? The answer is platform independence. Java's write once, run anywhere philosophy lets you write code once and run it on any platform with a Java Virtual Machine, JVM. The next question is, what is platform independence in Java? Answer is, platform independence in Java means you can create and compile your code on one platform, such as Windows, and effortlessly run it on another supported platform, like Linux or Solaris. The next question is, are JVMs platform independent? Answer is, JVMs aren't platform independent. They are, in fact, platform-specific runtime implementations provided by various vendors. The next question is, what is a JVM? And the answer is, the JVM, or Java Virtual Machine, is a vital component of the Java ecosystem. It translates Java bytecode into machine code that the underlying operating system can execute, making Java applications platform independent. Over to the next question, can you clarify the relationships between the components in the Java development environment and their primary roles? And the answer is, JDK, Java Development Kit, is a complete toolkit for Java, providing the environment to develop and run Java programs. It includes essential development tools such as Java-C, the Java compiler, Java, the Java interpreter, Java-P, Java disassembler, and more. Additionally, it incorporates the JRE, Java Runtime Environment, for program execution. Then the JRE is exclusively for running Java programs and is intended for end users who don't need to develop them. The JRE contains the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which is responsible for executing Java programs, interpreting and processing their code line by line. And JVM, Java Virtual Machine, a crucial component found in both the JDK and JRE. It's responsible for executing Java programs, interpreting and processing their code line by line. The next question is, explain the difference between a JDK and a JVM. And the answer is, the JDK, Java Development Kit, is designed for both development and execution, providing tools to compile and run Java programs. In contrast, the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, serves solely as a runtime environment responsible for executing Java programs, but it cannot be used for source code compilation. And the next question is, can you explain the role of pointers in programming and how does Java handle them? Answer is, a pointer is essentially a reference to a memory location. Java, while internally managing references, avoids direct use of pointers due to concerns like memory leaks that can occur with improper handling. And the next question is, can you identify the base class for all Java classes and elaborate on its significance in Java? Answer is, the base class for all Java classes is java.lang.object. This class provides fundamental methods and behaviors that all Java objects inherit, such as equals, hashcode, and toString. It's a critical part of Java's class hierarchy and ensures uniformity and compatibility among different classes. Next question is, could you explain Java's stance on multiple inheritance and how it influences Java's class structure? Answer is, Java does not support multiple inheritances, meaning a class cannot inherit from more than one class. This design choice simplifies class relationships and avoids complexities associated with conflicting inherited methods. Instead, Java encourages the use of interfaces to achieve similar functionality while maintaining a clear class structure. Next question is Java considered a pure object-oriented language, and what role do primitive data types play in Java? Answer is, Java, while primarily an object-oriented language, does incorporate primitive data types such as int and char. These types are not objects but are essential for efficiency in certain operations. Thus, Java isn't classified as a pure object-oriented language, although it strongly follows object-oriented principles in many aspects. Next question is, are Java arrays primitive data types? Answer is, in Java, arrays are objects, offering a structured approach to data storage and manipulation. As first-class objects, they can be passed around like other objects, ensuring adherence to Java's type safety and object-oriented principles. Next question is, what role do Java path and class path play in OS environment variables for Java development? Answer is, path assists in locating executable files, while class path specifies the path to essential.class files for Java's runtime execution. Next question is, what are local variables in Java? Answer is, local variables in Java are defined within a method, constructor, or code block and are only accessible within that specific scope. They typically store temporary data for local use, ensuring data encapsulation and preventing unintended interference with other parts of the program. Local variables must be explicitly initialized and do not retain values across multiple function or block invocations. Next question is, what are Java instance variables? Answer is, Java instance variables are defined at the class level and are automatically initialized to their default values. Next question is, how are constant variables defined in Java? Answer is, Java defines constant variables by declaring them as static and final, ensuring a single shared instance for all class objects and a constant value throughout the program. Next question is it mandatory to declare the main method in all Java classes? Answer is no, it's not required. The main method should only be defined if the source class is a Java application. Next question is, what is the return type of the main method in Java? Answer is, the main method does not return anything and is declared with the void keyword. Next question is, why is the main method declared as static in Java? Answer is, the main method is declared as static in Java to allow it to be called by the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, without the need to instantiate an object of the class, making it more efficient and practical for application execution. It serves as the entry point for the program's execution. Next question is, what arguments can be passed to the main method? Answer is, in Java, the main method accepts an array of string objects as its argument. Next question is, how can we overload the main method in Java? Answer is, yes, you can overload the main method by having multiple main methods within the same class, each with different method signatures and implementations. Next question is, can the main method be declared as final? And the answer is yes, the main method can be declared as final to prevent any inheriting class from creating its own main method. And the next question is, why do we use public and static in the main method in Java? Answer is, the public and static keywords make the main method accessible from outside the class and allow it to be called without creating an instance. Next question is, does the order of public and static matter in the main method? Answer is no, the order doesn't matter, but void must always come before main. Next question is, can a source file contain multiple class declarations? Answer is, yes, a single source file can contain any number of class declarations, but only one of them can be declared as public. Next question is, what is a package in Java? Answer is, a package is a collection of related classes and interfaces. In a Java class, the package declaration should be the first statement. Next question is, which package is imported by default in Java? Answer is, the java.lang package is imported by default even if you don't explicitly declare it. That's all for this video, geeks. Join me in the next part. Happy coding!